everyone, this is Kaylin.
And this is Kumuru from Kumuru's Kitchen.
Today we want to make lasagna. This is the first step. Can you hold?
Yep.
Okay. The spot is already heated. So you can add
A little bit of oil.
a little bit vegetable oil. And then I already chopped one onion.
One onion.
And then five
garlic cloves.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're gonna mix our 5 garlic cloves and single onion.
Half kilo
Of ground chicken.
ground chicken nuggets. So can I add the chicken now?
And a quarter of a teaspoon of cinnamon. So we're gonna add half a teaspoon of black pepper. Teaspoon of salt.
The mix very good. And then it's already cooked everything. And now we add tomato sauce.
You're gonna need 2.
Alright.
Half of this.
Alright. That's it. And then add a little bit basil too.
A teaspoon of basil. We mix in our sauce and our basil.
And this first step,
Is to make our
you want to cook like 40-45 minutes slow fire. Okay. Alright, come back. Alright, we want to now make second step.
white sauce.
That's right. Pieces butter. And then quarter cup flour. Tension is coming like little brown color. So 1 cup. Just turn slowly, and it's coming
Thicker?
chicken. Yes. And then we add more vegetables. 1 more 2/4 cup the whipping cream, and we add little bit salt.
Just like
Little
a
bit.
cup of
Alright, now we ready to for last part for lasagna. Alright, ready, Kaylin?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Alright, let's go. Okay.
So we're gonna be adding our red sauce that we made. 3 pieces of lasagna pasta. Now, more red sauce. But
I know some people do this, one layer is red sauce, one layer is white sauce, but don't like it too much white sauce. It's not healthy. That's why we just put it
Also-
white sauce only top.
also 90% of our family can't eat too much milk.
Yes, and one more,
One more.
and this. That's it.
And then
So we
our-
added white sauce in the top. Huh? Get a white sauce. It's very simple lasagna. Little bit basil. And now
cheese.
it's like half a cup cheddar cheese, half a cup mozzarella cheese. Alright, that is our yummy, tasty
Yes.
lasagna. So now this one want to go to the oven.
Preheated to 180 degrees Celsius.
Alright, we are back. Alright, our lasagna is done. So now, okay, want to try it. Ooh, how's it?
It's very good.